Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave and Abby. This is GVA, Ghettovanadventures, and I have this. You see what this is? Canada Dry Fruit Splash Cherry Ginger Ale, made with a splash of real juice. So per can, this thing has 140 calories, 50 milligrams sodium, 37 carbs, 36 sugars, 0 protein, 30 milligrams of potassium. See? Pretty neat, eh? I've never seen this stuff before. I think it's in the States, but I've never seen it. Get this thing open. Ah. There we go. Ah, hold on, Ebs. Wow. You know what? Honestly, this is something else. This, I think, you get that it's caffeine free. You get the mild cherry taste, you get the ginger ale taste, and fruit splash. Well, you know what? I mostly get the cherry, but I am telling you, I think this is the nicest cherry soda I've had. Tastes like there's a little ginger or something in there too. I like it. This is really good. Okay, guys, I finished it up. I'm going to give that a solid 9. It was a little expensive when I got it. Not much more, but a little more than regular ginger ale. That's why it's going to lose the point. But boy, I'm telling you, you could really get that cherry taste and the ginger ale taste. It was so nice. It was so nice and smooth, refreshing, and I will be drinking that again. Anyways, that's my review. If you see it, let me know what you think.